An oxygen plant has been sourced from India and will be donated to Guyana to produce the much needed oxygen on site at the National Infectious Diseases Hospital at Liliendal, Georgetown. Oxygen is used in the treatment of patients experiencing the more severe or life threatening forms of COVID 19, since these patients may have difficulties breathing. And this specific plant is expected to produce about 800 liters of oxygen per minute by capturing air, absorbing the unwanted nitrogen, and filtering out the oxygen for use. The 800 liters of oxygen would be able to supply up to about 50 patients with about 16 liters of oxygen each minute. At a press conference, Minister of Health Dr. Frank Anthony said that this donation will reduce the cost of treating COVID 19 patients by a substantial amount.
The COVID 19 hospital at Liliendal, we do have close to 200 beds, and we have been buying oxygen for that facility. Our ICU setup there, we have moved it from about 8 beds to now about 52 beds, and therefore providing constantly the amount of oxygen is a very expensive exercise. And once that is up and running, it would substantially decrease the costs that we'll have at the COVID hospital to provide oxygen.
When asked by the newsroom, the health minister could not state exactly how much money is currently spent to procure the cylinders of oxygen used to treat patients, but he was sure that it costs a significant sum of money. Meanwhile, Ravi Dev, the coordinator of the Hindu Sawam Civic Sangh organization that is working to facilitate this donation, said that the plant has been sourced, but there are some logistical challenges slowing down its arrival.
It's in the hands of DHL, and they will be flown into Guyana. You can imagine the expense of flying it, but at this juncture, we agree with Minister Anthony that we need to ensure that our infectious disease hospital is supplied with its independent source of oxygen.
When asked by the newsroom, Dev said that the plant alone cost about US $150,000 or 31 million Guyana dollars. The plant is being donated to Guyana through the efforts of Dev's organization and the Sewa International Guyana. Both organizations are not-for-profit bodies that have been assisting Guyana's COVID-19 fight. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Vishani Raghavir.